Hey puppies! Puppies! Hey little guys! Puppies! Puppies, are you tired? You guys are tired, aren't you? Yeah, Mom? I can't, I'm taking a video. I see you. I see you. I see you, little guy. Hello. You were just eating. You're all dirty. I see you. Who's licking my foot? Who's licking my foot? Hello. Hello. Hello, Daddy. I see you. I see you. Oh, is that a little yawn? Is it a little yawn? I see you, little guy. Are you hugging me? You're hugging me. You're hugging me. Yeah, you can play with your buddy.
You can sit in there and let them climb all over you. I like that. It's a nice thing to do.
You guys are playing. He said, let me in this fight. He said, let me in this fight. And you said nothing. You're tired. Tired. You said, let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, I want to play. Hey, everybody, what are you doing? Hey, little pup.
Hey, girls, are you eating snow? Are you eating snow? Look at you. Silly.
Why are you playing? No, don't chew on my pants. Playing with your brother. I'm playing. He's like, come back here. Come back here. I see you. I see you. I'm gonna get you. Did you just wait?
He's hurting your baby. What are you going to do with it?
Get out. Ready to go. Take the toys with me. Get out. Katie, let's get her off in the side. What? Katie would chew those toys out. Go play with Katie. Let's make this focus.
Aww. Oh, little yawn.
So what things are in here?
But tired? You're always tired. So it's your favorite little thing to do, isn't it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So, yeah, Mommy said to play with these puppies.
Let's play with these puppies.
Why don't they like Katie's puppies?
What?
Why don't these puppies like Katie's puppies?
Because Katie is more active than Misty, and Misty's just so calm that her puppies are so calm too. Instead of Katie's are all playful like Katie is. Oh, yawning.
I don't know if you love like Katie.
Katie's not really rough, Brandon. She's excited when people come over and stuff like that. Like right now she's calm, but then she gets really excited.
Can I come in?
No, don't come in, please.
What's these puppies? What's these puppies?
Yeah. He said, I want to play too. So you're not having that much fun, are you? Let's go over here. I'll just go to sleep. I'll just go to sleep. You wanna play?
Wait, Dad.
Yeah, you wanna play?
What for Dad?
I don't think they're gonna play tag with you, Brandon. Guys are gonna go to sleep. I think Katie's puppy. Brandon, go play with Katie's puppies. They're crying. They want you to play with them.